Hello, in today's short video I will show you how to solve a Clickbank sign-up problem. The most common problem is when you are signing up on Clickbank, it will not register your country and this square will be red. If it cannot register a country, just change your email or continue as a guest on Google. When you do that, it can solve it, but if it doesn't solve, just go to your internet, type VPN and choose one of the VPN free applications, install it on your PC, and through VPN you can change your country for the internet. And when you change your country, example, if you're in the United Kingdom, you can change it to Germany, and if you change it to Germany, it will allow you to make your sign-up problem. That is the most common and that's the best thing to solve that problem. Change your Google account as a guest or your email, or just download a free VPN program and change your country by that. So if you have any other problem for signing up, leave a comment, we will answer it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.